Okay, everybody, here's Hunter catching a banded cat-eye snake. Careful, buddy. Use your hook. You're gonna grab by his tail when you get it out. Nice and softly. So use the stick too, okay? Use the stick. Get it in the hook of the stick. There you go. Point the hook away from you, okay? There you go. Good job, buddy. What do you got to say to everybody?
This snake is not venomous, and you see this. Everyone thinks this is a venomous snake, and this is non-venomous snake, and
Don't let it bite you. It'd hurt.
And this banded cat-eye snake is has a little bit of toxin, but you don't have to go to the hospital if you're what is it?
Bitten by it.
You don't have to go to the hospital if you get bit by it. You don't have to go to the hospital because they have a little bit of toxin, but it won't kill you. And I'm the luckiest kid ever, and
I think so.
And no one gets to do this.
All right, let's release him, okay?
Okay.
Let's find a good spot and let him go. Good job. High five. High five, Hunter. All right.